TradingView is full of indicators with AI and machine learning in the name, and all of them sound impressive on paper, but I have tested basically every single one of them and the majority don't work. Only a few of them do stand out. So today I am showing you the 3 best ones, and they are also completely free. You will discover which they are, the best settings and the real results for each one as well. I'm ATP and let's get started. Let's start with the first one. This AI indicator takes the classic super trend, the trend following line most of you already know, and adds a machine learning engine on top of it. Instead of flipping the moment price crosses the ATR band, it compares the current market state to hundreds of similar patterns from the past, and only confirms the flip once the calculated probability crosses a threshold. That probability gets printed right on the chart. This is the AI-SuperTrend built with KNN machine learning. On the chart, it is plotted as a single line with 2 colors, blue when the trend is bullish and red when it's bearish. But there are 2 extra layers on top. First, small labels that pop up at key points showing the AI's prediction that the current trend read is correct. Second, the triangle markers, an upward triangle for a confirmed long and a downward for a confirmed short. And they only appear if the probability score is above the threshold you have set, in my case 90%. Another setting that made a real difference was the ATR length. It comes with a default of 10, but I moved it to 20, which smooths out the volatility reading. Now, what kind of results can we expect from this indicator? By applying it with the same settings to gold on the 15-minute chart, it comes out positive, with an upward trending equity curve, a 50% win rate and a profit above 20%. And just the fact that it's not negative already puts it ahead of most of the indicators I have tested. But the next ones on this list are even better. Number 2 takes a completely different approach. Instead of tracking price, it takes a classic volume-based oscillator and runs it with a machine learning clustering technique, grouping similar market conditions together to recalculate its own overbought and oversold zones in real time, instead of relying on the same fixed levels every time. This one is called AI Adaptive Money Flow Index by Algo Alpha. On the chart, it is plotted below price as a filled area, green when the reading is bullish and red when it's bearish, moving around a dynamic band instead of a fixed 50 line. Small tags sit along that area, marking the current cluster state, and when the market shifts, a red triangle appears at the top for a bearish reversal or a green triangle at the bottom for a bullish one, and those are the actual signals to act on. The setting that is most relevant was the MFI length. Default is 14, but I moved it to 29, which extends the look-back window and makes the reading less sensitive to single bar spikes. Now, what kind of results can we expect? By applying it to the same asset and time frame, it also comes out positive, with an upward trending equity curve, a 52% win rate and a profit above 50%. That's already a clear step up from the previous one, but there is still one free indicator left, and it's the one that takes the top spot. This last one blends 3 market behaviors, trend, mean reversion and momentum, into a single oscillator and uses a decision-making framework called the best-worst method to decide which of the 3 should carry the most weight at any given moment. It also has an adaptive training layer that tracks which of those behaviors have recently lined up with price and adjusts its internal weighting accordingly. This one is called the Neural Weight Oscillator. On the chart, it is plotted as a smooth white line inside a shaded band with 2 colors, blue above the 50 midline and pink below it, and it gets thicker the further the reading moves from the center. Then small dots appear along the line at certain points, marking where the adaptive layer detects a meaningful shift in which behavior was driving the move. The blue dots are used for long positions and the red ones for shorts. The setting that made the biggest difference here was in the best-worst method weighting. I moved the worst factor from momentum to mean reversion and turned off the training influence, so the adaptive layer sticks to a more stable read. Now, by applying it again to gold on the 15-minute chart, it comes out with the best equity curve of the three, with a 54% win rate, a profit just above 50% and a drawdown under 20%. So there you have it, 3 AI indicators that actually work. But before ending the video, there is one more bonus indicator I want to show you. This one uses AI not just for entries, but for exits as well. And it's the one I personally use the most. Out of everything we tested today, this is the one with the highest win rate and the highest profit of all. Instead of an oscillator or a probability score, this one plots buy and sell signals right on the chart. And there are two types: standard signals, when the AI detects a potential trend shift, and plus signals, which only appear once extra conditions line up. It also comes with two optional overlays: the Gauss ribbon, a smoothed band that turns blue on bullish signals and red on bearish ones, useful for spotting pullback and re-entry zones, and the volatility bands, which expand and contract with market conditions and can act as a dynamic support and resistance. The settings that made the biggest difference here were the exit structure. It uses the key levels method, which plots the take profit and stop loss levels straight onto the chart the moment a signal appears, based on pivot points. So instead of closing the position all at once, I split it across 3 take profit levels: 50% at take profit 1, 25% at take profit 2, and the remaining 25% at take profit 3, moving the stop loss to the entry point once the take profit 1 is hit. And by applying the same structure to the same asset and time frame, we get a profit above 100%, with low drawdowns, a win rate above 70%, and a steady equity curve, the best one of everything tested today. This is the SFX Algo by FluxCharts. You won't find it on TradingView's public library because it's an invite-only script available on fluxcharts.com. But don't worry, because in a few seconds I will show you a way to get it without paying the full price, because honestly it is worth it. Now here's the full picture side by side. Out of the 3 free indicators, the neural weight oscillator came out on top, with the highest win rate and the smoothest equity curve of the group. But put it next to the SFX Algo and the gap is difficult to overlook. Nearly 20% higher on win rate and roughly double the profit under the exact same conditions. And now, as promised, here's the way to not pay the full price. Throughout the link in the description and by using the code ATP at checkout, you can get 15% off not just on the SFX Algo, but on the entire FluxCharts ecosystem, including a few other tools that are genuinely worth checking out. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments which indicator you want me to test in the next video. I'm ATP, stay sharp, trade smart, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.